Hey everybody, this video we're going to do some stock lock Sunday here. We got a American 1100 bidding 21251, and we're going to see if we can pick this with the AM5 Lishi here. And probably gut it too, because why not? Of course, assuming we can pick it. Now I have picked this lock before. I got this lock without keys a long time ago. I was able to open it with regular old lock picks, so we'll see if we can get it with the Lishi here. So we got nothing on 1. Okay, click on 2, another click on 2. Nothing on 3. Okay, 4 is binding. Click on 4. Nothing on 5. And we're stuck here. Okay, here we go. Nothing on 1. Little click on 2, nothing on 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 is binding. Okay, that put us into a false set. Okay, counter rotation on 1 here. Still a false set. Counter rotation on 3. Rotation on 5, and we're open. Alright, so we got it open, and of course we could always decode it if we wanted to, but no need since we have a key here. The vise out of the way. Okay, let's see if we can go ahead and gut it here and lock it back, because I do have keys for it. Alright, so key pins, we would expect them to all be standard here. Let's see, the bidding was 2, so those are switched, I think. Yeah, most of our key pins aren't serrated because they're too short. Actually, 21251, the only one that would be serrated is pin number 4 here, because the other ones are short. They don't start putting serrations in them until you get to a number 3 depth. And we'll see if we can get stairs here. 1, we got a spool. 2, we got serrated. 3, we got spool. 4, we got serrated. And 5, we've got a spool. And then, of course, nothing fancy on the springs here, just regular old American lock springs. And see if we can get you guys a close up here. So as far as pins go, notice on numbers 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, and 4 aren't, or 1, 2, 3, and 5 aren't serrated because they're too short. 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, and the number 5 is serrated. And as far as upstairs goes, we got spool, serrated, and spool. So I guess nothing unusual or anything about that. I guess it's pretty standard fare for an American 1100. And any questions, comments, leave them in the comments. And until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.